Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel Reelshort subscription. So without further ado, let's get started. Now if you've subscribed to Reelshort and you want to cancel it, first thing that you're gonna need to do is go to your Play Store if you're using Android, and then go to subscriptions. Now you have to find the Reelshort application in there and just proceed to cancellation. And now if you're using iOS devices like iPad or iPhone, go to your profile and then select this subscriptions. Now find the Reelshort app there and then proceed to cancellation. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.